All right, let's look at how to find the midpoint of a line. So in case you are given 2 points, say A, so point A, let's say x1, y1, and point B, x2, y2. So let's assume this is the point A and this is the point B. So this is the mid of the line. Okay. So if you ask to find the midpoint of the line, it's given us, okay. So just pick x1, then x2. So sum x1 and x2 and divide by 2. Then do same to y1, y2, divide by 2. It's very simple. Now don't mess up. Don't say x1 plus y1 on 2, then x2 plus y2. No. So the first one is for x. So this is for x, then this is for y. Okay, let's solve examples. All right, so let's look at the following examples. Okay, so we have to find the midpoints of the following. Okay, so the first one, I. So we want to find the midpoint of AB. Okay, so the formula is, okay, x1 plus x2 on 2, y1 plus y2 on 2. Okay, so let's label the points. So I have A, then B, 8, 4. Okay, so let's call this one x1, y1, x2, y2. So this side will be minus 2 plus 8 on 2. Then we have 2 plus 4 on 2. So going forward, so this side will be 6 on 2, and this side will be 6 on 2. Therefore, the midpoint is 3, 3. So that's the first one. II. Now this is the II. So we have x1, y1, x2, y2. So the midpoint of the line, of the 2 points here. Okay, so we have the midpoint. So this is the formula x1 plus 0. So we have 3 plus 5 on 2. Then we have minus 4 plus minus 6 on 2. So we have 8 on 2, then minus 10 on 2. So this one will be 4 minus 5 as the midpoint. Okay, so that's that. All right, let's look at this application of the midpoint. Okay, so we have R, okay, point R as 2.5 as x coordinate and 2.5 as y coordinate. Is the midpoint of the line join the points this and that. Find the values of A and B. Okay, so we have a line here. Okay, so we see R, which is 2.5 as x coordinate, 2.5 as y coordinate, is a mid. So this is not 100% accurate. is the mid of the points here, P, A, B, then Q, 2B, 3A. Okay, so let's find the midpoints of PQ, then equate it to R. So that's the idea. So have A plus 2B, so x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2, so over 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have m as x1 plus x2 over 2, then y1 plus y2 over 2. So that's that. So we have this. So a plus that, comma, then b plus 3a over 2. Okay, so we have x and y. So this one is the same as 2.5, 3.5. So we have a plus 2b on 2 as s coordinate, the same as this is s coordinate, so 2.5. Okay, and have b plus 3a on 2 equals 2.5. So this one will give us a plus 2b equals to 2 times 2.5, so that's 5. Then b plus 3a equals to 5. So this is equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 1, my a is the same as 5 minus 2b. So we are making a the subject from equation 1. So let's call this one the third equation. So 3 and 2. So go to equation 2, where you see a, put 5 minus 2b there. So we have b plus 3 times a, but a is 5 minus 2b equals 5. So we have b plus 15, 3, 5, 15 minus 6b equals 5. So we have 15 minus 5 equals to 6b minus b. 10 equals to 5b. Therefore, we divide both sides by 5. B is 2. Okay, so from this side, b is 2. If I put 2 here, 4. So my a here becomes 5 minus 2 times 2. So a is 5 minus 4, just 1. So therefore, a is 1, b is 2. That's that. Okay.